Right now, there are tasks running in your business that a human is doing manually, that a piece of software should be handling automatically. Copying a lead from a form into your CRM, sending a follow-up email after a purchase, notifying your team in Slack when a new client signs up. These things take time, they get missed, and they don't need to. Make and Zapier are the two tools most small businesses use to fix this, but most people pick the wrong one. So in this video, I'm going to give you the honest breakdown. What's different, what it costs, and which one actually makes sense for a small business. Quick qualifier before we go further. This video is for small business owners who want to connect their tools and automate repetitive work without writing code and without hiring a developer. If you're running an agency, a service business, an online store, or really any operation where the same tasks keep repeating, this is for you. If you're an enterprise IT team or a software engineer looking for API-level control, you're in the wrong video. Both Make and Zapier do the same fundamental thing. They connect your apps and move data between them automatically based on rules you set. Here's a real example. A new lead fills out a form on your website. That lead automatically gets added to your CRM. An audit record is added to a spreadsheet. An email notification goes out immediately to your team. All of that without you touching anything. That's automation. And both tools can do it. The question is, which one does it better for your situation? And that comes down to a few specific differences. There are 4 differences that actually matter for a small business. Let's go through them. Number 1, ease of use. Zapier wins here. If you've never built an automation before, Zapier's interface is going to feel more familiar. It's a simple linear setup. Trigger, then action. Done. Make has a visual canvas that gives you more power, but the learning curve is steeper. Plan for an extra hour the first time you build something. Number 2, pricing. Make wins, and it's not close. Make's free plan gives you 1,000 operations per month. Their core plan is $9 a month. Zapier's free plan gives you 100 tasks per month. Their first paid plan is $19.99 a month for significantly fewer tasks at that price point. If you're running real automation volume, Zapier gets expensive fast. Number 3, complex workflows. Make wins again. If you need conditional logic, do this if that condition is met, otherwise do something else. Make handles it natively and cleanly. Error handling, multiple branches, iterating through data. Make was built for this. Zapier can do multi-step automations, but the visual logic gets clunky fast once things get complicated. Number 4, integration library. Zapier wins on raw numbers. Zapier connects to more apps, especially obscure ones. But here's the thing. Make connects to every major app a small business actually uses. If your stack includes Gmail, Slack, HubSpot, Stripe, Notion, Google Sheets, or anything widely used, Make has you covered. Let's make the pricing comparison concrete. Make's free plan, 1,000 operations per month. Core plan, $9 a month, 10,000 operations. Zapier's free plan, 100 tasks per month. Starter plan, $19.99 a month, 750 tasks. Operations and tasks aren't perfectly equivalent. Make counts each action in a scenario separately. Zapier counts each task run. But at any realistic volume of small business automation, Make gives you significantly more for your dollar. And if your workflows get complex, the gap widens. Here's the direct answer. Choose Zapier. If you've never built an automation before, you want to connect 2 common apps with a simple trigger and action, and you just need something working today with 0 learning curve. Zapier will get you there fastest. Choose Make. If you're planning to build more than 2 or 3 automations, you want real workflow logic, or you're paying attention to cost as you scale, Make will serve you better long term. For most small businesses watching this, Make is the better call. The pricing is better, the logic is better, and once you get past the initial setup, it's not harder to use. It's just different. The free plan gives you more than enough room to build your first few automations and prove the concept before you spend $1. The link to start is in the description. If Make is your pick, here's exactly how to start. 3 steps, no overwhelm. Step 1, create your free account. Go to make.com, hit Get Started Free. Enter your email. You don't need a credit card. Step 2, don't build from scratch. Go straight to Make's template library. There are hundreds of pre-built automations. Most are one click away from being live. Step 3, find a template that matches something you're already doing manually. Connect your accounts, activate it, and let it run. Most people have their first automation live within 30 minutes of signing up. That's the breakdown. Make and Zapier are both solid tools. Zapier is easier on day 1. Make is better from day 2 onward, and it'll cost you less as you scale. The Make.com sign-up link is in the description. Free plan. No card required. If you want the full written comparison with pricing tables and tool-by-tool details, the article link is there too. And if this was useful, subscribe. We cover practical AI and automation tools for small businesses. No hype, no fluff. Just what actually works.